This is an XD 45 caliber Springfield. Newest gun on the market. Doesn't have the thumb safety. Has a double safety. Have your duck safety. And you got your trigger safety. Without both of these pressed in, it won't fire. You got it good? This is how you strip the gun. First, you empty the clip. You got an ambidextrous release. That means it's a release on each side. Empty your chamber. Make sure it's empty. You look down in the chamber to make sure the barrel is empty. Tack it back. Break it down. Pull it back. On the side, you have a release that releases the top. Let it go and you fire it. When you fire it, that releases it. Now you have your two pieces. Pop your spring out. Pop out your barrel. You clean your barrel like this. You're going to oil down your spring. Usually what you can do is take a toothbrush, clean out the inside just to make sure it doesn't build up. Put it back together. First you put in your barrel. It pops back into place. And you pop in your spring. Everything should fit like this. You slide it back on, but you gotta make sure you have this release standing up. Pull it back. Let your release down. You load it. On the top of the gun, you have an indicator showing that you have a bullet in the top in your chamber, and on the back you have a pin that sticks out and that's showing you that it's cocked. That's your hammer indicator, and that's pretty much everything you need to know about your Springfield.